दुबई का चश्मा, चीन की चड्डी और ईरानी चाय. And it is this Irani chai that I'm going to taste at Kyani and Company in South Mumbai. Let's check this out. Today I am at Mumbai's 100-year-old iconic cafe, only to taste their iconic chai and nashta. This is Kyani and Company in South Mumbai, that is known to serve iconic food at ordinary prices. So I have come to the perfect vintage setting of Kyani and Company, and what am I going to order? Of course, the most favorite of Kyani and Company, Bun Maska Chai and Khari biscuits. While I was waiting for my order, I couldn't help but wonder about the rich history this place holds.
The restaurant was started in 1904 by a gentleman by the name of Khudamarad Mazharisban. The main concept was, at that point of time, a lot of Zoroastrian Iranis who had come down from Iran pooled together money and they were buying off property, especially those which are at the four corners of the road. That is how the whole history of this shop started.
Soon my order was here. So here I've got my hot Irani tea, I have got the Bun Maska and of course the Khari biscuits. So चलिए tasting शुरू करते हैं. Firstly, I'm going to taste the Irani chai. What I can see is it has some sprinkled masala on the top. I really don't know what is this sprinkled masala on the top. I really don't know the recipe because the recipe is kept quite a secret. But let's taste it as of now. I really don't know what special blend of spices goes into this, but this chai was different and really good.
Basically, it's a masala tea. It's a regular tea, and we add certain spices inside. So that makes it a little bit different from the regular tea.
Now it's time for the famous bun maska. This is a huge, big, fluffy bun with butter smeared within it. Well, I really don't know why it's so famous, so let's do the test now. Well, what can be really special in a bun maska? I can really taste the freshness in the bun. Butter is on point, very creamy. The bun inside is literally smothered in fresh butter. This tastes truly divine. Simple yet so fantastic. घर जैसा बन मस्का चाय बट ईरानी कैफे स्टाइल में. Perfect. It's turn for the Khari biscuits. For now, it has been a while since I've had Khari biscuits, to be very honest. And now goes in my Khari biscuit into the chai, the typical style. Wow, wow. क्या बात है. These mini khari bites are extremely flaky, very fresh, and they are going amazing with the tea, with the Irani chai. Crispy khari biscuit with garam Irani chai. Nothing better than this. You know what? There is something so comforting about this setting altogether. I am at one of the most oldest Parsi eateries in South Mumbai. I am having their famous Irani chai, simple bun maska and crunchy khari biscuits, and it is so comforting because I am having some of the simplest things here which they are famed for. They stand true to their taste and I feel I am back at home.
Food that is made here, the recipes are basically from our very own home. That is the basic difference which you will find in a Parsi eatery and any other eatery.
Life may be complicated, but good food doesn't have to. तो हो जाए एक बन मस्का और ईरानी चाय.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.